softly on my window tonight. Your name still echoes in the quiet light. I keep your picture close beside my heart. Though time moves on, we're still not far apart. Every street, every song, every place we knew brings me back to the days I spent with you. I'm dancing with you, pouring the pouring rain, holding on to moments that I can't regain. You left, but your shadow never fades away. In my heart, you're still here every day. Though the world keeps turning without you, my love, I'm still looking for your stars above. I read the letters that you used to write and cry alone in the middle of the night. Your smile still lives inside my mind, a treasure that I'll never leave behind. If love could travel through the sky so wide, I'd send my tears where your dreams now hide. Maybe somewhere you'll hear me call your name, and know my heart still feels the same. I'm dancing with your memory in the pouring rain, holding on to moments that I can't regain. Though you're gone, your love still lights my way, like a candle that refuses to fade away. And until the day our souls meet once more, I'll keep loving you forever.